Alright, what's up, guys? My bike, not my bike, but the engine, it blew up again. So, the piston, this time the ring didn't break, but something else was, I think the ring from the last piston, part of the ring got inside the engine, and then it picked up, and it scratched the new piston. So I'll just go do a quick overview of the old piston if I can find it. Do not know where I put it. Yeah, I put it back in here. But yeah, here is the old piston. Now the ring snapped from here to here, and part of it went in there, and a quarter of it went in that engine, and a quarter of it was inside the combustion chamber, which created these. So, here's what happened. Parts from that piston over there got in the engine, flicked up, and ruined this piston. These rings are fine. I could probably salvage these. This piston's done. I could salvage a lot of parts out of this engine. I can salvage the connecting rod, the bearing and the rod in there, and the clips. I can salvage the ignition, the clutch. The clutch is fine in here. The tensioner. I can pretty much salvage everything except those cranks down in there. Those are no good. As you can see, they're scratching on them right there. That's not good. But yeah, the piston, or not the piston, the cylinder, it actually cracked, and it fractured off. And on the other side of it, right there, yeah, see that? That's more cracking. That was about to come off too. So it started to make weird noises. I was riding it yesterday, and it started to make weird noises when I was riding it. I was cruising at like 15 miles per hour because diesel. Anyways, I was cruising at like 15 miles per hour. I was just, because it has to break in, like the piston rings have to set in. And I started hearing this weird clanking, this like screeching noise. And then I pedaled all the way back home, and I took the head off of it, and I saw a little piece of the piston from the old piston ring inside the combustion chamber. And I saw like the scoring just on top of it. Then when I took the cylinder off, it was cracked, and that little part came off. Like right as I took it off, the little shard from the cylinder right here came off. And yeah, so I am not really happy about that, but I'm getting a new engine soon, so when it comes back in stock, because it's a nice engine, it's always like sold. So yeah, so look forward to a new racing engine. So yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.